Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial video in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Canva presentation into PowerPoint format. So for example, I have created a presentation here with Canva here with the template. So I'm going to convert this presentation in the PowerPoint. So you just have to go to this share option, click on share. Then you just have to go down and choose this more option here. Click on more and then just scroll down, and here you can find there's an option called Microsoft PowerPoint. So you just have to choose this Microsoft PowerPoint and choose all the pages and just click download, and it will start to download. And as you can see, my file is downloading as a PowerPoint file. So if I just click to open this, as you can see, here is the presentation open in my PowerPoint here. So that's it guys. This is how you can convert your Canva presentation to PowerPoint here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.